Welcome back to BlueZone. We are your presenters.
I'm Rory.
And I'm Caitlin.
So come join us today on our Macron Kit Lodge at Abertay University, where we're going to interview a few of the different captains.
We're here with William, who is the co-founder of Macron Sports Hub Dundee.
So with Macron as a new kit sponsor, we're going to ask William a few questions. So feel free to give us a wee bit of background on the partnership.
Well, yeah, it's great to be working with Abertay University. By us both being based in Dundee, we're able to work really closely together, as you'll see, come up with some really good kit designs. Spent a lot of time working with Mikey just to kind of capture what it's like to be an Abertay University student. We are literally based about 2 miles down the road, so everything we do is we're on each other's doorsteps, so it's a really good opportunity to be able to present the multinational brand of Macron at a really local level to people in the area.
So are you looking forward to this new partnership between Macron and Abertay, and any idea where it may take us in the future?
Yeah, absolutely. Working in the university sector is really rewarding. It's got a really diverse nature. So you're working with students from all different backgrounds, playing a multitude of different sports at various levels. The great thing about university sports in general is it's really inclusive. So no matter your ability, there's a place for you. The university market itself is something that Macron want to focus on, and Macron Sports Hub in Dundee, we're leading the way, certainly in Scotland, for doing that. So, and again, it's all about working with the key people like yourselves and people like Mikey, that really can deliver a great service that everyone benefits from.
Yeah, thank you for your time.
Yeah.
So we're here with a couple of members of the basketball team.
I'm Lucia, I'm the women's captain.
I'm James, I'm the men's captain.
So how are you guys both feeling about the new Macron kit then?
It's good. I feel like it's lighter, so we can play better. It's gonna be very nice to play with those colours again.
I quite like it, it's quite light, versatile. Yeah, upgrade from last time.
So what's your guys' hopes for the rest of the season?
Well, we don't have a lot of games this season, but we're really looking for playing varsity, and hopefully we'll enjoy this season.
Yeah, hopes are alright. Hopefully we get a good couple of runs in, get a bit more experience under the belt before varsity, and then hopefully bring it home.
Okay. We're here with two teammates from volleyball.
Hi, I'm Katie and I'm the women's captain.
Hi, I'm Roy and I'm the men's captain.
So what do you guys think of the new Macron kit?
It's nice, I like it, good colours, I quite like this pattern. It's like shreddy stuff, it's quite fun.
Yeah, I agree, the pattern's much better than we had last year, the big block colour. So, yeah.
If you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
I think I'm going to go for roast dinner. I know that's got a lot of components, but I just feel like the whole thing is the best you can get.
I would probably just go a Chinese sweet and sour chicken.
Classic. Good.
So we're here with a couple of members of the rugby team.
I'm Struan, first 15 captain.
Hi, I'm Naomi, the women's captain.
So guys, how do you find the new Macron kit this season?
Yeah, I love it. It's good feel, good size, great for the girls to go out and smash it.
No, it's good to get a new sort of look for Abertay, you know what I mean? So yeah, can't wait to just get out and play them, you know what I mean?
Yeah, and Struan, rumour has it that you wear Rory Shaw of the BlueZone pyjamas to bed. Can you confirm or deny this?
No comment, Your Honour. I do not want to know.
We are here with a representative from the athletics team.
I'm Fraser Kelly, I'm the president of the athletics team.
So what do you think of the new Macron kit, Fraser?
I like it. It's new, it's different, there's a bit more yellow, which I like. It feels nicer. I really feel like it brings out the spirit of the athletics team and the spirit of the uni as well. So it's something new, and I'll look forward to racing in it.
So if you were stranded on a desert island, what 3 things would you take with you?
I would start with my running shoes so I can continue running. I would bring a pair of sunglasses because it will be sunny and I need to make sure I keep the sun out of my eyes. And I would also take this brand new Macron kit because it looks so nice.
So we're here with a member of the golf team.
Hi, I'm Jamie and I'm president of Abertay University golf team.
So how do you find your new kit this year?
It's Very comfortable, and specifically with golf, you do need that full range of motion, and you can get hampered sometimes with some of your tighter stuff, but this is, well, the best of gear. You see it on tour all the time, and yeah, it's very breathable and excellent for what we have to do.
So if you could be any holiday, what would you be? I'd be a ski holiday.
Hot holiday, 100%.
Hi, we are here with some teammates from netball.
I'm Molly, I'm the club president. I'm Ellie, I'm the captain of the twos.
So what do you guys think of the new Macron kit?
We really like it. We think it's a good change from our old kit. Really like the colour as well, nice and bright. It's good.
So what are your aspirations for the coming season then?
We've not got many games left for both our ones and our twos, so we're hoping we keep going with those and do well with them. And then obviously varsity is coming up, so give our all for that. We've got our tour as well at the beginning of June, so we're looking forward to that. Yeah.
So here with a couple members of the football team.
Hi, my name's Ricky and I'm the fine man.
Hi, I'm Abby and I'm the social sec.
So how are you guys feeling about your new Macron kit this season?
It's looking a lot better than last year's kit anyway, especially with the new faded colours.
Yeah, it's nice.
Cool, so what's your guys' spirit animals?
My spirit animal would be a sausage dog.
Interesting.
My spirit animal would be a giraffe.
Hi, and we're here with two members of the badminton team.
Hi, I'm Jennifer, I'm the team captain.
I'm Travis, I'm the president.
So what do you guys think of the new Macron kit?
It is a lot softer, it's a very nice material, so I like it.
Yeah, it's a lot more affordable, the colours are nice, and the kit feels better on the court, so it's all good.
So what are the hopes and aspirations for the badminton team for the rest of the season?
Recruit people.
Yeah, we'd like to win more games, be more competitive. Our players are putting in the work, which is what matters, and we'll hopefully have a more successful season this semester.
So here with a couple members of the tennis team.
Hi, I'm Maisie and I'm the secretary.
And hi, I'm Lewis, I'm the men's captain.
So how are you guys both feeling about the new Macron kit this season?
I think it's nice, it's a nice fit and I like the new colours.
Yeah, no, it's nice. It's you stand out a bit on court, and that's always good. So no, I like it. It's really cool.
So what's been your favourite episode of the BlueZone so far?
Well, there was one that we won 6-0, so probably that one, and then the one where you come to tennis, I'll be up there as well.
We're here with two members of the hockey team.
Hi, I'm Neil, I'm the men's captain.
Hi, I'm Iona, I'm the women's captain.
So what do you guys think of the new Macron kit?
Oh yeah, no, it's really nice. I like the fit, it's a lot better than the old stuff, so it's good.
Yeah, it's really nice material.
So in your opinion, what is the best TV programme in the world?
Has to be Breaking Bad. Yeah, for sure.
The reason why?
It's just gripping.
I don't know. Mine at the moment's Happy Valley, but that's because it's coming out. It's good. It's fresh. It's a lot of crime, so okay.
Thank you for watching our kit launch special.
As always, stay classy, Aberdeen.